Okay, just as soon as I get my gloves on here, I'm going to add some more to this wand. I did a couple of things, so you don't have to watch the whole process, but you can watch some of the more interesting building parts. I'm going to also try to remember to keep my hands out of the way so that you can actually see this stuff. I'm just kind of elevating these little the little rays out a bit. Okay, like that. And then, this acrylic glass, like I was talking about before. It's so shiny and pretty. And I think I'll put that one here like this. Boop. Okay. Oh, sorry, my hand, I forgot. I'm just building up with this solder. Making the pieces stronger, so look at this and see how I like it. I like it. The other thing to do is just test these guys and make sure that they're on there nice and strong. There's not a whole lot of wiggle room, so that's good. I like that. And for this one, I'll just shore it up a tiny bit. Okay, now a couple little things I want to add to this, and this is also another reason why you want to have some extra, hopefully this is, you can see this, but some extra solder on the copper so that you've got something for your other pieces to quickly stick to as well. So there's that. Do it like that? Maybe I'll take it to it like that. Sorry. And that. And so a piece I'll put on there. Sorry. So, gotta be done. I'm going to bring this down here and make sure you're seeing this. Last little piece will be this little star. Now, when in doubt, flux. If your solder's not sticking to anything, you want to make sure that your flux. The flux is what cleans off whatever it is you're trying to adhere the metal to, or adhere the solder to. So if it's not sticking, it's a good chance you just haven't put enough flux on it. Okay, I'm going to stop. We'll come back to this in a little bit.